Vanguard hook and lock kit for Ford Transit Customs, and in this episode of Unlocked we're taking a closer look at why this setup is a solid choice for securing your customers' vans. If you're working on a Transit Custom from 2013 to 2023, this kit is built specifically to suit that platform. You're getting a hook and lock setup for the sliding passenger door and twin rear doors, plus a driver cab lock included in the kit. So straight away, you're covering multiple access points in one go. Now, unlike standard deadlocks, a hook lock gives you that extra level of resistance. Instead of just shooting straight into the keep, the hook grabs in and holds. That makes it far harder to force the door open, especially against common attack methods on vans. These are mechanical key-operated locks, so they sit completely separate from the factory locking system. That means no reliance on central locking, no issues with signal interference, and no easy bypass through factory electronics. You're adding an extra layer of physical security and protection. From an installer point of view, this kit is vehicle specific, so you're not trying to make a generic lock work. Everything lines up where it should. Fixings are included, and once it's in, you've got a clean professional finish. Vanguard also offer a range of kits and locks to suit multiple different types of vehicles. Check out the range over on our website. You've also got a dedicated key system for the hook locks, keeping it separate from the vehicle's OEM key. Ideal for fleet setups or when you want controlled access to the load area. So, what are you getting in this kit? Hook locks for sliding and rear doors, driver cab lock included, vehicle specific fit for Transit Custom 2013 to 2023, mechanical key operation and all the required fixings. It's a complete package for securing the key entry points on the van. If you're fitting security upgrades to vans, especially for trades carrying tools and stock, this is exactly the kind of setup customers are asking for. Strong mechanical locking, multiple door coverage, and no reliance on factory systems. If you want to check out the Vanguard hook and lock kit for yourself, head over to our website. Got a product you want us to feature next? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode of Unlocked.